video I'm going to show you how to set up keyboard shortcuts in macOS. First we have to open up System Settings, and here it opens up in General. From here we just scroll down, click on Keyboard, and here we have Keyboard Shortcuts. We click on this, and here we will find all of the categories and all the shortcut types. So here we have the shortcuts for the display, for mission control, for keyboard, input sources, screenshots, services, everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.